In this tutorial, I show you how to add an LUT number to your Zoho Books account, ensuring your business stays compliant with export tax regulations. Start by logging into Zoho Books with your credentials. On the left side menu, navigate to Settings, usually found under your account or organization name in the upper right corner. Once in Settings, click on the Organization section and then select Profile. This is where all your company's key information is stored. Scroll through your organization profile until you see the Tax ID drop-down. This is the field where different tax identifiers are managed. Select the appropriate option and enter your LUT number. This is your exporter's unique identifier that allows you to export goods without paying integrated tax. Accuracy here is crucial, so double check your entry. Finally, click Save at the bottom of the page to ensure your LUT number and any other changes are applied. And just like that, your LUT number is successfully added to Zoho Books, keeping your export operations compliant and smooth. Keeping your accounting software updated with accurate tax information not only ensures compliance, but also helps you manage your business more efficiently. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Zoho Books tutorials.